And this, my friends, is NAB, right here at the Las Vegas Convention Center.
Look who's on my YouTube channel.
Hello.
What? Pass me a C47.
Look at him, and then look at me. That's the whole purpose.
In person, they're funnier than the 15 seconds that you get in a reel.
I'm here. Let's go inside.
Las Vegas. High rises, pools, casinos, the monorail, the Sphere, and the NAB show from the National Association of Broadcasters. It was broken up into 3 different halls at the Las Vegas Convention Center, starting with the North Hall. Now, I took this as being kind of the main hall because it had all the big names like Sony, Canon, Nikon, Osmo from DJI, Arri, and many other big name brands. There were a bunch of them. This is also where I caught up with my good friend, Michael Melendez. He and his friends were checking out all the new gear. Later on, I went to the content creator party where I was going in there talking to friends and stuff, and I won this hard drive. I also ran into Matt Johnson. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look who's here. Look who's on my YouTube channel.
Hello.
What? I don't even know.
Made it.
How did you,
It
what?
has been like 15 years since I've seen this guy in person. We see each other on the internet, but it's been a long freaking time.
We talk all the time.
All the time.
Like
all the time.
Like we support
Online.
each other, and I've been
It's
following
great.
you the whole NAB, and this guy has been making the best content on his. I can't wait for a YouTube video.
It's coming. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening.
And this is why these two are remarkable online, because in person they're funnier than the 15 seconds that you get in a reel.
Yeah, we're gonna filter it on the internet.
Yeah, that's being filtered out
So
for
fun.
advertising.
Oh my
Yeah, so
God.
David, and then you have obviously Matt's right
He's
here.
forgetting my name right there for some
No, I was looking
Come on,
at. I
Roy.
was trying to zoom into your picture.
Get the beard.
There we go.
Next up was the huge lobby at the West Hall. We also stopped by the NAB shop to pick up some, bunch of merch. These are crazy. I'll fix it in post. I'm a production engineer. Nobody knows what I do until I stop doing it. Pass me a C47.
C47? That's great.
Look at it. It's digitized.
Rumor has it, back in the day, production didn't want to spend like
That
money on something called a clothespin.
Yes.
So they put down the call letters. For what the order form was, and it was C47, 100 of them, and so a producer can't say no.
Yeah.
Because they don't know what it is.
They don't know what it is. Yes. Then we took the Tesla tunnel, which runs underneath the convention center down to the South Hall. This hall had the Creator Lab, where I got to network and meet up with a bunch of other YouTubers and content creators, like Jacob Owens.
Jacob, thanks so much for jumping in. I've been following Jacob for how many years now?
Long time.
A long time.
I'm very active on my social media and my DMs and recognizing people, and I'm always seeing your comments, your messages. So because it's like, dude, like the reason like a lot of my businesses, what I have is because of
fans,
people like you guys. So of course I always want to try and be as like respectful and just if you guys have questions, and I should chop it up.
Yeah, and he keeps me fit, because look at him, and then look at me. That's the whole purpose.
There was so much to see and test out and experience, especially for someone like me who was going to NAB for the very, very first time.
And there you go, that wraps it up. I I always want to make sure that I keep as much details as I can give you. So go ahead, drop it down in the comments. I will follow up with you and make sure you give me a shout out. I'll make sure to hit you up.